All right, guys, I'm back. So we're gonna clean up the garage today. I'm gonna confess what really happened to my caliper that I was working on, rebuilding actually, and yeah, we'll get to all the fun stuff. Sorry, I haven't been doing much car stuff. Starting a new job Monday, the 23rd. So yeah, just a lot of life stuff going on. So, got to deal with that first. So, let's clean in here. I know the wife will be happy to see this because, like I always say, I don't really clean much in the house. So, let's set this camera up and do a little time lapse. All right, guys, confession time. So first off, let me say I'm an idiot. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but I have 3 calipers on this workbench. So this is the one I spent copious amounts of time on. I epoxied it back together, but as you guys can see, it's cracked right here because I had it in the press trying to push the piston in, and I know they're screw in now. That's how I got them out the first time, obviously, but yeah, so this thing's hammered. So that's my confession. I was wrong. Wife will be proud I'm admitting that I'm wrong. So got a brand new remanufactured, ready to rip. Obviously I don't need to repaint the bracket, but I'll have an extra bracket, and the bolts that bolts it to the plate that Mr. Pearson is still making for me are in a mineral spirits bath, and they've been in there probably a few weeks now, since probably about a month or two, give or take a little. So that's where we are with everything. As soon as the kit does come in from Mr. Chris Pearson, I'm going to install it on the car, but I want to get the car out of here first. Obviously I'll film that and we'll get that out to you guys so you guys can see it. So new caliper. So what does that mean? Well, I gotta repaint the damn thing. I don't know if you can't hear it in my voice how excited I am about having to repaint it. Which, I mean, it'll be a lot easier being this is a reman caliper already. But as you can see, it's already painted because, they don't come this color from the factory. So I bought more sand, and we are going to sandblast these and get it stripped down, just just like we did the others. And we are going to get it looking like this one here, and we'll move on. We'll get the back brakes done. I think once I get the brakes, the kit for the brakes in the rear, I may just put the front on, and I actually have 2 sets of rotors, so I may just put the calipers on, the Willwoods, and the old test rotors that I've put through hell to get my kit made for this thing. And whenever it's time to actually let it rip, I have steel braided cables for the front. I have steel braided cables for the back. I showed these are China special, because they don't make this really for our car. So with all that said, I'm going to get my respirator on and get everything set up so we can sandblast this and get it painted. And God, I hate that it's like perfectly assembled, because now I gotta my prep work is really gonna have to matter, because obviously I want I don't want paint getting on the gasket or the piston or any of that stuff. So let's get set up for that. And I may show me doing that. I may not, because you guys already kind of know. I may just show the finished product. So we'll see what happens. We'll see you in the next scene. All right, so went ahead and tore it down so I can sandblast it and paint it. And hopefully this won't take quite as long as the last time. We'll prime it, paint it, get it all ready to rip, and get it ready for that kit. So just want you guys to see how I prepped it this time. Lessons learned from the last time. This is much easier to do because everything's brand new and I'm not replacing it because it's rebuilt anyway. So sorry if it's a little hard to hear, but I got my fans on me so I don't sweat to death out here. So anyway, we're gonna go sandblast this, get this ready to go, and we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Again, I know you guys saw it last time, so I didn't want to bombard you guys with sandblast and all that again. So you'll just see it when it's looking more like this guy here. So anyhow, let's get to it. All right guys, so I'm done painting the caliper. Let me show you guys how it looks. Sandblasted it, did the whole thing that we did a couple of videos back. So she's ready to rip, just letting her dry up a little bit, but she's still wet. Not always a bad thing though, is it guys? So anyway, this will be it for this video. As you can see, the other caliper, I need to touch up on that a little bit because I had the bracket on, and Mr. Chris Pearson told me that I don't need this with his kit. The little L arms. That's only for if you're gonna bolt it back to the DSM. But anyway, this will do it for the video. Thanks for being patient with me, guys. I got some cool stuff coming. It's all still in the works. So like I said, I started a new job. I'm actually starting Monday, May 23rd. So anyway, I hope you guys have a good one. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, send it out to your friends, and I will see you guys next time. Later.